In today's tutorial I will show how to create a real estate logo and then check it as mockup on a desk setup using new features of CorelDraw 2026. Click Windows from the menu bar. Select Dockers. Then choose AI Image Generator. The AI Image Generator Docker opens on the right side. You will see two options. Create Image. Remix Image. First select Create Image. Now type your prompt in the text box. Next select an AI model from the list. I select Nano Banana Pro. Click Generate. In a few moments the logo appears. Now we check the logo in a realistic mockup. I want to see how the logo looks on a desk setup. For example on a mug, leather folder, and desk calendar placed on a table. Click Remix Image in the AI Docker. Select the logo. Click Add from Document. Now write a mockup prompt in the box below. Select the AI model again. Click Generate. Within a few seconds the mockup appears. Now the logo is displayed on a mug, leather folder, and desk calendar. A clean and professional presentation. Perfect to show the design to a client. You can create this complete concept in about 10 minutes. This is why CorelDraw 2026 a real game changer. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel. Press the like button. Also press the bell icon for new tutorials. Thanks for watching.